Hi Charlie, here is another version just showing you what it's like with a wider span. The radiator height is really important to know because these longer supports, they're good for a 600 deep worktop. They actually have an extra piece welded in here, so if I don't have the radiator height, this component could interfere with the radiator. But getting back to the point of this particular sketch, this span is now way too big, and unless you're keeping a collection of cotton wool on there, those shelves will bend and that worktop will bend. So we're looking for a sort of a compromised idea here slightly, or, as I think I said in the previous video, very, very rigid boards, by which I mean solid oak, something like that. There's no man-made board that can cover that span without sagging. Let's look at the metal product I referred to as well next video.